Hi, my name is Maria Fernandez, and I am a creative community herbalist. And on this video, you will see how I'm creating for the first time a St. John's wort salve. Basically, I have used the following recipe, which is basically 4 ounces of St. John's infused oil with half an ounce of beeswax. And I thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe. I have more videos under the Vive Herbal playlist that dealt with how I decanted the oil, and there's other videos that show how to identify the plant. So if you get into that playlist, you're gonna kind of figure out the puzzles, the pieces of the puzzles to get to these levels and these steps in this journey of creating medicine with plants. It's so much fun. I hope you like it. So stay tuned and let's check it out. I am going to be using beeswax beads from Frontier. And now I am measuring the beeswax. I need half an ounce, which is 15 grams. And I have 4 ounces of the infused herbal oil of St. John's wort. So I have half an ounce and 4 ounces of oil. Now I'm going to combine the beeswax that I measured, half an ounce. You could do more or you could do less depending on the texture that you want to achieve. And I am combining the infused herbal oil of St. John's wort together. I'm going to be using this mason jar in a little broiler. I am turning on the stove and I have the water heated so it's boiling, and then I'm gonna lower the heat as I want the beeswax and the oil to combine. I am stirring the St. John's oil, infused oil, with the beeswax because I want the beeswax to be melted and mix well with the St. John's oil to create the salve. So you can see I don't want to do this directly in the pan because I don't want the oil to scorch, as this is a cold press oil, and I don't want it to lose some of the properties, the healing properties, that it would be lost. Now that I have removed it, I am pouring the oil into another container, and it's my first time trying this, so I'm looking forward to see what it looks like. So here it is. I'm letting it cool off, but I'm super excited for my St. John's salve. It's looking good, it's smelling great. I'm super excited. So I am here, and literally as I'm doing this, I'm watching my oil, my St. John's oil, which was like this, in this format, liquid, transform more into a solid salve. And this is a very basic recipe that I'm following. It's just literally beeswax beads with the infused oil from St. John's plant. What I used was 4 ounces of St. John's oil, and I use half an ounce of beeswax. You could use more. Some people want to add vitamin E to it. You could probably be creative and use other really yummy herbal infused oils like comfrey, calendula, all healing, like arnica oils that you may have. I'm a simplist, so I really like to do one herb at a time, and so far this is my first time doing a salve, and it's looking pretty cool. It smells great, and it's very yeah, just a little bit goes a long way. It's really smooth. This will last me, the shelf life of oil infused oil is about a year. So I still have enough to put away. I have about another like 6 ounces. So this is exciting because I have the salve and some oil, so I have options here. So I really love working with herbal medicine. It's fun, it's safe, and you know, it's just one way to let your creativity out, right? And we all are creative. We all have that creative child in us that wants to experiment and explore with things, and I think you could do this. I mean, it's pretty simple, and I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe. Let me know any comments and questions you may have. But this is how I did it, and I'm really excited. Yay! Yay! Well, I hope you have a beautiful, blissful, and blessed day.